Yes, now, bhai dekhiye, what I have noticed is you have missed the writing habit. All right. So now our focus will be on that. Today, let's discuss the topic for composition. The rest of the topics for transformation we'll be doing tomorrow. No, tomorrow we'll do comprehension. I'll give you a passage for comprehension and that we will be doing tomorrow. But to write down the topic, write down. Write down the topic for composition, everyone. Write a composition on the topic. Write a composition on the topic diversity. Out of 5 topics, you get one topic like this. Out of 5 topics in composition, you get one topic like this. Yes. One word is given and you have to write of that. Clear? Write the topic for homework also. I'll be posting the homework on the group, but still write the topic for homework also so that we can discuss both the topic here in the class and it will be convenient for you to attempt both the topics. By here in the class, so you are not getting any option at all. Whatever, and yes, you will be writing the composition on these topics and you will be posting it in the class group so that your class teachers also must know how sincere you are for your studies. Now write the topic for homework. Nowadays, write both the topics together so that we can discuss both the topics here in the class.
Yes.
Nowadays, there are careers that cater to every interest, and aptitude, full stop. Discuss this in the light of your interest.
Every interest in aptitude.
Full stop, then write. Discuss this in the light of your interest. For the camera. Now, what you will write? What you will write for the topic diversity? How are you going to attempt diversity? Yes.
We can write.
Okay, let me tell you. For attempting such a topic, first you should give the definition, meaning of the topic. What this word means. Understood? First thing in introduction, you must tell that you have understood the term. Clear? Then you will be describing the term and finally you will be giving conclusion. Don't forget to change the paragraphs because if you fail to do it, -5 minute test your composition. They give you marks, then put -5 out of whatever you achieve. All right. And they write in bracket -5, no paragraphs. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So don't do it. Your error frequency is marked at 200 words. So try to do it like within 200 words, not a single mistake, all right? So that your error frequency will go 0. Essay will fall in A category. You will then in such a condition, examiner cannot give you less than 17 marks. Understood? It's for your benefit. We, the examiners, are asked not to disclose this all to you, but being a teacher, being a, all right. So just do it like this. It will be for your benefit. Clear? I'm not getting a request of Femina Israr beta. Hello. Yes. So tell me what you understand by the term diversity. Put your cameras on, everyone.
Ma'am,
Put your cameras on, everyone.
ma'am, an example of what we can write in conclusion, what things we can add up in conclusion.
Depends on the topic. I will be giving you, for sure I will be giving you. That's the reason we are discussing the topic. All right.
Okay, ma'am.
So here for diversity, what does diversity mean? Put the cameras on.
Ma'am, diversity
Web not
can
interested. Aisha, Jayanti, Sanya, put the cameras on. Naima, Ayush Mishra, Shafin, cameras on, everyone. Yes. What does the
Diversity.
term diversity mean?
variety means
Yes.
variety in cultures, in languages, even because if the person's tradition is different, then there are chances as that his mentality will be different absolutely.
Yes. See, the term diversity means different things put together. All right. You will tell the term diversity stands for different things put together. These things can taste, faith, whatever. Understood? You must have heard of the term India is a land of unity in diversity. You must have heard this.
Yes,
Quote.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I've heard this saying, India is a land of unity in diversity. What does it mean? Now you can come to this. After explaining diversity, you can come to such thing, taking in such a vast diversity is there, then you will be explaining the diversity that is present there, and then your means it will cover up your portion. All right, it will keep the interest focused. Understood? It will make your composition composed one and well defined and managed one. Understood? So now start telling me what you are going to write in such a topic. Anjali, tell what you are going to write.
Ma'am, we are going to write diversity means diversity can be defined as the variety of many cultures, as India is full of different varieties. So we can start explaining it like this. Chale now.
When I'm asking you what you are going to write, you will not tell something like this. You should tell what exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, actually, it was the definition.
Definition.
Ma'am, full composition.
Then
Ma'am, full.
not full, not full
Against
composition.
idea.
No need to read loud full composition, but at least give some.
Ma'am, we will
Give the
start
points.
describing. Yes, ma'am.
See,
Ma'am, we will
you should give the points that you are going to elaborate in such a composition.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, firstly, we will define the diversity meaning. Then we will take a proverb like any to make it meaning the about the varieties of cultures in India, and we
Okay.
will take many examples like that. How diversity affect the beauty of India and art of our nation,
Alright.
and
Alright.
we will. And the culture, we will give many examples like this, and then we will like conclude.
Ma'am, can we
Good.
include negative points of diversity also for a country?
Yes. Why not? Yes. Why?
Negative effect.
Whenever you are elaborating something, you have to take both the things, positives and negatives, and take the mistake.
Yes.
All right. Put the cameras on, everyone. Again, you have put it off. Yes, continue. Harsh, tell what you are going to write for such a composition. Yes.
What's the definition of the diversity? Explanation of these things.
That we have discussed. That you have written. Yes. After that,
Types
tell
of
something
diversity
different.
and why it was needed to people. Importance of that thing.
Tell something different. Don't repeat the things again and again. Huh? Yes. Okay, fine. You have understood means you have understood what to write for such a topic, diversity. Yes.
Ma'am,
You will write this composition and post it in the classroom.
ma'am,
Yes.
is there is any other example of diversity except India? Because
Yes.
whenever the terms
Why
come
not?
like diversity,
See, if we take the world as such a vast diversity is there in world. India is a miniature form of that. India is a miniature form of that. See, the same way as we in India we have different religions, different caste, creed, color, schedules, cultures, landscapes and all, weathers and all. The same way we have in the whole world. From east to west, from north to south, means it is changing. Even water and air changes step by step.
yes, ma'am.
After a little distance, even the taste of water changes. Even the even the breath of air changes. Is it so or not? Languages change, cultures change, religion change, complexion, skin changes, tongue changes. This.
Ma'am, what is
Understand?
temperament?
For instance, for example, in India, we used to, means if someone is speaking very soft, we used to say, please speak louder.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
We keep blowing horns on the road. Yes. If you go to Australia, you will find louder, the person gets scared and feels offended. My God, why the hell you are shouting at me? It happens because they're not used to it. If you will blow the horn twice, you will get a challan for that. It is taken as an offense for blowing horns without a cause. Understood?
Such happens with the skin color
Means
also.
in the neighborhood place, acha. For what reason? For what purpose? What you cooked today? Very good. You have got this. This dress is very nice. From where did you get it? For how much? Yes, it is quite usual to ask like this. Yes, in foreign countries, it is an offense. It is like interrupting their privacy. Why the hell is it to you? Who came to my place for what purpose and all? Is it so or not? It is disturbing their privacy. They, is it so or not? So this is the
Yes,
difference of
ma'am.
temperament. This is the difference of temperament. Understood?
Means
The same
overall
thing,
the temper and the
thing that,
nature.
yes, the same thing that you will be accepting very heartily, very friendly in India, that will be taken as offense in other countries. And the same thing that you will be taken very casually, very normally in other countries. For example, if India, as they meet, two people meet and kiss on the road, then it will be taken as an offense. They will be put to jail. Is it so or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
Yes, step will be taken against them. Is it so or not? So
Yes,
this is the
ma'am.
difference in temperament and behavior and all. The same thing that they are taking very easily, we are taking as offense. The same thing that we bow down, we touch feet, we give respect. Yes. Oh my God, the person expects me to bow down and touch their feet. Is it so or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And here, this is a culture. This is how we show respect. Understood? So
Ma'am,
this is what it
even
is.
in China, actually in our country, what our mothers used to say, like, come, finish your food. Even not a single grain should be left. But in China, if you are if the food, it will be understand that the food is not good. So if the food is good, you have to leave at least a spoon of food. This is the diversity. And India, if we will
So
do
this
so,
happens.
our mothers is going to like put us
Even,
out of the house if we
for
don't eat.
example, means here in India, means we are used to, means very noisy ways, means the plate, and it is okay. Yes, if you go to some five-star hotel and you click the plate twice with a knife and put it there, we are used to do this. Means we take it in a noisy way, and then we put it and we have a rest, and we used to discuss gossip and all, and then we start eating again. Yes, but there in means five-star hotels, if you will click it twice and start gossiping, the waiter will come and take your plate and go away. This is the system. All right, there is a vast diversity. Means this is what how you are going to attempt such a composition. Understood? Is that clear?
Yes,
Don't give
ma'am.
such minute details, but yes, you will be given. All right,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Now the next topic that I have given you for homework, it is, and nowadays there are careers that cater to every interest and aptitude. Yes. How are you going to attempt? How are you going to
For
attempt
या
such a topic?
against किसी में भी.
For or against? It's no argumentative topic, dear. It's no argumentative topic. Yes. This is a descriptive one. You will be giving description of the career options that are present nowadays. They were not earlier. Dear, limited career option. career options were limited there. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So many things we put nowadays as career options. Put your cameras on, everyone. Put your cameras on. See, earlier we had limited career options. Nowadays we have many. Earlier means so many things were concerned as waste of time and energy earlier. But for example, playing cricket, playing chess,
Yeah.
dancing. This was earlier taken as means just entertainment thing. That was not up to the mark. Very low graded things they were concerned as. Yes, they used to say, "Are you a kid? You are playing it. Oh my God, you are playing yet? Is it so or not?"
Yes, ma'am.
See the boy, his child. Oh my God, 18, 19. He is playing all the time. All the time waste means what will he do in future? Earlier it was the system. Now this is the career, and this is a very reputed career. Earlier dancing and singing and all. Oh my God, their atmosphere is not so healthy at their place. Their children keep dancing all the time. Low graded mentality people. It was the same.
Yes.
Understood. But nowadays it is a very good and reputed career option. Is it so or not?
Ma'am, the same happens with mobile phone and we are using also. Earlier it was like,
Yes. Earlier it was like, again you have touched the mobile, put the mobile and start studying. Yes. And nowadays it is like, take the mobile and start studying. More, we are getting sick of it. So understood both the topics?
yes, ma'am.
You will be writing these, putting them in the class group. And tomorrow, yes, tomorrow I will again conduct a test out of comprehension. All right. I'll solve it. In the period itself, I will take it online. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, that will be right.
You need to write much. And that's the reason now, during the revision, you will be doing each and every topic in detail like this. Till date, language was being quite, means that was lagging behind, that was being ignored, but now it